of women. We put the framework in place to support all women in Jamaica. And I just want to say good evening to all my Jamaica Labour Party sisters who are on the platform. You are all amazing. And good evening to all our indoor agents, our outdoor agents, our supervisors, our runners, all the hard-working members of the Jamaica Labour Party family. It is the moment that we have been waiting for. It's the moment that the nation has been waiting for. The Manifesto launch of the Jamaica Labour Party. And we want to salute the chairman of the Manifesto and Achievements Committee, the strong, competent, superb Kamina Johnson-Smith, a sister in whom we are proud. Good evening, Kamina.
My Labourite family here at Sam Sharp Square. My Jamaican family, both here and overseas, everybody who is with us online, everybody who is listening in, thank you for choosing to join us again and again and again and again. My Jamaican family, my Labourite family, this election campaign has shown us who truly loves Jamaica. You have some people who only tell you that they love Jamaica, but we know them by their actions because they show themselves every time. They keep showing us who they are. And then you have those of us like us here gathered at Sam Sharp Square this evening. Those of us who think that Jamaica is not just the land we love, it's a land we choose. We're proud to launch our manifesto here with you so that you can see by the plans we have for you that this is the party to choose. Our manifesto is a visionary yet practical document that shows that we will move all Jamaicans forward, building on the foundation of our achievements. And so we couldn't hide it in a Kingston Hotel conference room. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the I Choose Jamaica launch. There's nothing light about what we have to present today. Our manifesto is 100 pages of heavy, heavy commitments from your Jamaica Labour Party, your Jamaica Labour Party government to you. I know Kerry's supposed to be here with me, and I'm waiting for her to join me, because you know she brings the vibes. Kerry?
I'm here with you.
Yo, 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 Kerry.
Yo, yo, yo. Hey, hey, hey. So, Kamina, you made note that there is nothing light about this document and that there is something in there for every Jamaican. So hold on a minute. Just wait a minute. So that is why we tell the people, vote for Labour and Labour Party, marching on to victory every single time. You know, my sister Kamina, no matter how they try to con the people and samify the people. Jamaicans know that the government, the hand that they trust, is the hand of the Jamaica Labour Party. We support who support we. We did it for who did it for we. We stand up with who did stand up for we. And Kamina, Jamaicans remember COVID. Jamaicans remember where we are coming from as a party. Who did remember the lockdown? Who remember the no movement days? And the people of Jamaica remember that during the worst time, when troublesome times were here, it was the Jamaica Labour Party who stood up strong and who led this country through the pandemic, where we recovered stronger, where we are building, and where we are rising with action. One Jamaica Labour Party. Labour rights. Make me see the shower finger if you know you didn't have to be a labour right.
Vote for Labour Party. It's a pretty Labour Party. May I vote for Labour Party? May I a party?
The record achievement document has over 250 achievements of this government. The highlights by the ministry document spoke about what every single ministry and every single minister has accomplished for you. That is accountability. That is service. This is not like that other party and the British man who said him come to rule Jamaica. This is about service. So what is in the manifesto for Jamaicans, Kamina?
Kerry, there is something in this manifesto for everybody. But I want to tell you that we're launching this on the back of the record achievements, our 256 record achievements, plus the highlights by ministry document that we made sure was launched last week. We've had 150,000 documents already distributed and thousands of digital downloads. So our record achievements document has taught us one very valuable lesson, that we must always take our message to the people. And what I want to share with you today, my Jamaican family here at Shamscraft Square, we're not launching one document, you know. We're not launching 2 documents, you know. We're launching 3 documents today. We want to share everything with you. And I think you had a question for me, Kerry.
Minister, indeed.
Yeah.
Indeed, Kamina. We have seen where the other side have already been pushing tax on agriculture and increasing GCT. But this is the government that has been reducing taxes. What is our manifesto for the taxpayers?
Thank you for that question, Kerry. But I think the best person to answer that question and to speak to the government's tax policy is the first woman to ever serve as finance minister in Jamaica and the most qualified person to hold office, our very own Mabel Williams.
For my independent ladies, na 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 na.
Shower Mount Salem, shower flankers, shower Coral Gardens, shower Montego goes. Shower labor rights. The Jamaica Labour Party is about putting more money in your pockets. It's we do the 1.5 that put real money in your pockets, and since then we have moved the PAYE threshold to 1.8 and did the reverse income tax. Do you know what reverse income tax means? It means the government gives you back some of the taxes that you paid. It means Michael from St. Andrew Eastern, my constituency in the Papine division, have more money. And can I tell you a story? On nomination day, I was stuck in traffic in my massive motorcade, and someone blew their horn and started shouting, anti-favor, and me buy one Pro Box, and money me a make now, and so thank you, anti-favor.
Choose Jamaica. Vote for Labour.
Labor rights, the 1.5 brought us to government, and we have not stopped working for you. We want another term to continue working because we are not done yet. The Jamaica Labour Party is doing more for you. In the recent budget, I announced $2 billion allocation to the DBJ to provide funding to MSMEs, the micro, small and medium enterprises. The MSMEs told us that they could not afford a loan because of all the upfront fees. We removed those upfront fees and they now form part of the loan. That means the MSMEs don't have to get a loan to get a loan. MSMEs, we heard your cry about the loan money being too expensive. DBJ is now charging less fees on the funds that it lends to the banks, so the banks can turn around and lend at a lower interest rate to MSME. This is working for you. And there is still more to be done to increase access to capital for MSME and the engine of growth in our economy. And that is why we are fast-tracking the development of the micro stock market to give the small entrepreneurs access to equity financing, patient money that will stay with the entrepreneurs through ups and downs. And we could not leave out our young people. Under the next Jamaica Labour Party government, we will be given a one-time annual grant of $100,000 to our students who are in good standing with their student loans. And we're doing this because we understand that many parents have been struggling to help their children through college. And I want to say to my supervisor, Dini, from the Backbush community, this is for you and the many parents out there. The student can apply the $100,000 to reduce the loan balance or use it to cover the cost of a laptop or books, or use it to help to cover general living expenses. Labor rights, this manifesto is credible. This is a credible manifesto. We have taken our manifesto to the people. We are not launching it in the air-conditioned comfort of a ballroom. We are in the streets with you because we are bold, we are strong, we are with the people here in Montego Bay, and we want to say to you, choose Jamaica. Choose Jamaica Labour Party on September 3rd. Put your X beside the bell. Show a Labour rights. Show a Labour rights. Mobe. Mobe. We don't fear them, no day.
No fear them, no fear. Feel say you got.
Wow, thank you, Minister Williams. It's so good that we're all here today with the people of Montego Bay. Liberites, Jamaicans, every Montegonian, every Jamaican should be concerned that the PNP will cancel and roll back all the achievements that we have made together. They have said that they will defer, delay, reprioritize, and discontinue programs left, right, and center. Jamaica, it is our responsibility to ask them if that means less roads, less water, if they're putting back fees at heart. We already know that they want to take away the safe rural buses that Minister Darrell Vaz has gotten to take our children safely to school and home. So Jamaica, we have to use our vote to cancel the PNP plans. We have to cancel them. Jamaica Labour Party is a party that believes that everyone is important and everyone deserves to see and know what they are voting for. So in our manifesto, we have plans for everyone. We have something for the farmer. We have something for the tourism worker. We have something for the entrepreneur. We have something for public and private sector workers. We have something for our women, our men, our children, our young people, our environmentalists, our entertainers, our athletes, our vulnerable groups. And we are inviting each and every one of you to look at our achievements, our next chapter. We want you to look at our next chapter and we want you to read it, go through it and find what's in it. Choose what works for you, what you find that's important for you, and you will find every reason to choose the Jamaica Labour Party.
Now I'm going to ask a question that I know is on every Jamaican's mind. Kamina, is something in the manifesto for education?
Absolutely. Of course, the Jamaica Labour Party is a believer in education. But because it is such a big deal, we have an education manifesto. The I Choose Jamaica, next chapter, education manifesto. This education manifesto that has so many sector-focused policies, priorities that will transform Jamaica and build on the positive results we're already seeing. In the same way the Jamaica Labour Party government reformed the economy, in the same way that the Jamaica Labour Party government reformed our national security architecture, we are now taking aim at education. And our Minister, Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon, building on the achievements of former Minister Favour Williams, they have already shared that our transformation process is already 30% in. Because we don't have enough time though, Kerry, I hope you'll forgive me if all I say is that I'm inviting our teachers, our students, our parents, our persons with disabilities, our men, our boys, our STEAM believers, and our skill achievers, our readers, our learners, our mathematicians, everyone who is interested in childcare, go to JamaicaLabourParty.com and read our education manifesto. It's right there for you until you get your own copy.
We do so much already, now we doing more. Jamaica Labour Party, yes, we doing more. JLP doing more. JLP doing more.
This is a thorough manifesto. A manifesto where we thought of all Jamaicans, not a rushed manifesto. And we will not have to come with manifesto part 1, manifesto part 2, part 3, manifesto light, manifesto... No, a thorough manifesto. The people's manifesto. Manifesto gold.
Kerry, you know, this manifesto, what's good about it is that it also has accessibility features that are built into the digital documents online. So whatever disability you have, even if it's color blindness or actual blindness, we have a feature that will allow you to read or to hear or to see our manifesto. We want to believe in everyone.
So you know, Camille, I want to draw you out. What you say? The PMP, they fail again?
They get a F plus, Kerry. A F plus. But Kerry, we know that there are some PNP supporters who have been waiting for the launch of our manifesto to run and check and see and compare and see if they can come with something better. But we have something else special for media engagement, and I'm not going to say anything about that yet. But stay tuned. We still have more to come. We're doing so much already, and we're doing more. It's more than a song for us. It's a pledge to the Jamaican people.
Yes, indeed. History is being created right here in Montego Bay, where we have launched our manifesto. And what a more ideal place for those who had questions. How are they going to launch a manifesto at a rally? This isn't just a JLP rally. It is a rally for the people of Jamaica. You know, we have, but Kamina, I'm curious. How can we come to the West and not discuss what is being discussed, what is going to be done for the creative communities and entertainment? What do we have in the manifesto, Minister for the West?
Kerry, I'm glad you asked, but I am not the best person to tell you. Let's have a rising star from the West tell Jamaica what we have in store for culture and entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it from the Member of Parliament of Trelawney Northern. Let's hear it for Tova Hamilton.
Labor rights. I stand here as proof that Trelawney, both north and south, is alive and well. It is my honor to tell you what the Jamaica Labour Party has in store for the heart and soul of our people, the culture and entertainment sector. We are talking about every selector, every dancer, every singer, songwriter, every actor, every artist, every content creator. Jamaica's creativity isn't normal. From dancehall to reggae, from our theater to our festivals, our Jamaican vibes move the world. And yet, what did we hear in the debate last night? Crawford trying to pit one side of the sector against the other. The juvenile strategy of divide and rule. But I say to you tonight, we are the government with the plan to revolutionize and empower Jamaica's creative people. And we have already started. Who launched health insurance for entertainers? It was this Jamaica Labour Party government, a first in our history. And trust me, we've only just begun. This is not the party of chains. This is the party of freedom. The time is now, not to prosecute, but to liberate our entertainers, our promoters, our creatives. We are serious about removing the chains on the creative sector. And that is why in our manifesto, we are not just promising, we are planning, we are delivering, we are building a creative economy that every young Jamaican can plug into. It is why we will launch one-stop online entertainment permit access, a game changer for the industry, a one-stop shop. Here are some of the other initiatives our manifesto will bring to life. Free basic intellectual property advice for creatives, performing arts centers, a brand new JCDC HQ, and Jamaica's first dance hall museum and training center. Special economic zones for our creatives. 100 creative villages across 100 sites. A Culture and Creative Practitioners Institute, creative apprenticeships with mentors, incubators, and rocket accelerators to launch talent into the world. Strengthening of film and media by building on our already launched $1 billion film fund, expanding it even further. 24-hour entertainment zones, a reality, not just talk. Never again will a promoter be told that they should be prosecuted for plying their trade.
We do so much already, now we do it. Jamaica Labour Party.
We will have bigger, greener festivals, concerts, carnivals, and global scale events rooted right here in Jamaica. A tourism for all our calendar. So every local business, every community feels the impact of the tourism dollar. All of this comes together with one purpose: to make Jamaica a major global event destination. I say to you, the time is now. The youths are ready. The Jamaica Labour Party is ready. The world is waiting. Let's break the chains. Let's free the culture. And let's show them that Jamaica is the heartbeat of the globe.
May I vote for Labour Party? May I a party? See a brighter future. Make choose Jamaica. Vote for Labour Party.
I wish I had more time to share, but I will take these plans along with our rural development agenda to the people of Trelawney Northern, while my colleagues right here in the West continue to carry our incredible message throughout Sam Sharp Square. This is not politics as usual. This is freedom for our creatives. This is Jamaica unleashed. Show our labor rights.
Family. I me say family. If I want to meet a fern killer, you no believe in a fern killer. Family.
Sam Sharp Square. Wanna hear that? So, one man, the opposition leader, had a chain around a black man's neck. So it is not only symbolic, but also historic that we are here this evening in Sam Sharp Square to end and to send a message to the British man on Old Hope Road that we are not in chains and that this manifesto is a demonstration of our right to choose freely. And Mobe, what a place. Mobe, we no fear, no dear. And because of that, we can say loudly, proudly, boldly that we choose Jamaica every single So guess what, Kamina? Them now go hang we like how them did hang Sam Sharp. No, not at all, Montego Bay. The PNP have always been the party of flip-flop. Those flip-floppers and political scammers. But we now make them trick we and mash we up in our life.
Now make them trick me and kill me.
You know, Kamina, I'm happy that there is something in there for our creatives, for our entertainer, because as an artist myself who just bust, there is something there for me, yeah.
Me and vote for Labour Party. Me and a party for a brighter future. Me choose Jamaica, vote for Labour Party. We're doing good for you. Singing JLP for hours, ringing in the showers. A blessing we are called on. Panic or jam down, X beside the bell loud. We're doing more for you.
Hold it.
Carrie, I'm going to tell Tova she have to sign you up fast. Jamaicans, labor rights, our campaign has been deliberate and intentional in every way. We have had a digital and a physical campaign that has already touched and engaged hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans. Kerry, I heard them asking last night in the debate, they were asking for our health minister as if their spokesperson was there and he was nowhere to be found. While their spokesperson was on TikTok, our Minister of Health was out in the field opening up health centers in community after community after community after community. And now he's here with us, Sharp Square, to speak to us on the future and the vision for health. Montego Bay, help me to welcome Dr. Christopher Tupton.
Thank you very much, thank you very much. Yes, I hear said them I looked for me last night, like say me missing or something. Well, I want to report to them I'll be there Tuesday evening, live and direct, to whip them with my finance minister and my education minister, because Labour Party policy is better for Jamaica, and Jamaicans know that. Labour rights. So much to say and so little time to say it, so we're not going to say everything here. That's why our manifesto is not an event. It is a series of events. So today we launch, tomorrow we're going to talk about it, the days to come we're going to talk about it, and we're going to ensure that all stakeholders who must know about what the future looks like under Labour Party government will get that. What we're not going to do is launch our manifesto in an air-conditioned hotel room with some Tapanaris people as if at them one matter. You, the people, matter, starting right here in Sam Sharp Square and across the length and breadth of Jamaica. And I tell you something, those who don't respect the intelligence of the average Jamaican man, let me say we, the Labour Party people, respect everybody. We know you have the ability to listen and to understand. We know you have the ability to know what is in your best interest and what is just an opportunistic position that the PNP take. We know that you know when promises don't mean nothing, but hard work and results, like the Labour Party has shown, mean everything. And that's why the Labour Party deserves a third term.
Nazareth and foolish Jamaican.
This manifesto, by the way, this is the mother, the father, and the children of all manifestos. We don't need to relaunch no baby manifesto like what the other people they must say. They must come launch another manifesto. Obviously, they don't have no confidence in the first one that they will launch in the first place. I want to just say a few things quickly in 5 minutes or less. In 2015, and I want you to listen to me carefully. If you knew someone who had lung cancer, cervical cancer, colorectal cancer, or multiple myeloma, all in the cancer category, the big C that everybody fear. If you had somebody or knew somebody who had those cancers in 2015 under the PNP, dog, nyam, you suffer. You'd have to find the money to buy the medication to treat those persons, even if you had access to the hospital system. Today, under the Jamaica Labour Party and the National Health Fund, if you are unfortunate to know somebody with that condition, all medication are free to those people and their families to give them an opportunity to be the best that they can be. And there's more to come. In fact, if you have lupus, sickle cells, Parkinson's disease, thyroid disease, or attention deficit disorder, all diseases that affect people's lives, in 2015, under the PNP, you get no help. In 2025, under the Jamaica Labour Party and the NHF, you show your NHF card and you get free medication. We care about the people of Jamaica and we respond to the needs of the people of Jamaica. In fact, your friendly NHF pharmacist is now in 128 locations across the length and breadth of Jamaica. Under the PNP in 2015, less than 100 outlets were there and they were limited in their offerings. Today, you have an NHF pharmacy or a drug serve window just down the road or by taxi. You can go and get your free medication under this JLP government. And guess what? In this manifesto, we care about our golden ages. We care about those who are 60 years old and more. Those who have worked hard to build this country. When them reach a certain age and can't work again, the government must help to look after them if they can't look after themselves. That is why this manifesto has a national health insurance that we will roll out in the next 5 years for those who are 60 years and over. PNP can't do that. They don't understand it. We understand it because we care for the benefit of the Jamaican people. Health centers are the backbone. Every Jamaican who born know about the health center down the road from them. In every community. Under the PNP, they have been left neglected. Some of them have doctors, some don't. Some have doctor 1 time a week, some 2 times a week. This manifesto recognizes the importance of our community health centers. We are going to roll out in the next term 5 days a week doctor in health center that only have 2, and those who don't have, we are going to put a doctor in those health centers to care for people in their communities.
We do so much already, now we do it. We do it. Jamaica Labour Party, yes we do it.
And when it comes to hospital, I'm soon done. When it comes to hospital, it is this Labour Party government under Andrew Holness that has embarked on the largest hospital upgrade in the history of this country's independence. Them talk about Cornwall Regional, They mash up Cornwall Regional. We are building it back as a new hospital for the people of Western Jamaica. And over the next 6 months, you will walk into the new Cornwall Regional Hospital. And if your children sick, you will walk into the new Western Child and Adolescent Hospital. Western Jamaica will have the largest concentration of hospital beds, doctors and services and anywhere else in the Caribbean under your Labour Party government. That's a commitment that is in our manifesto. And if anybody is here from my parish of St. Catherine, I want to ask you a simple question. When last you ever see 2 cranes? You know what a crane is? One high-rise something, we build high-rise building. When last have you seen 2 cranes in one place in Spanish Town? Well, if you go to Spanish Town Hospital, you see crane after crane after crane building a 6-story building at the Spanish Town Hospital. Your government doing that.
Labour Party a become Jamaica. We ever want to Jamaica. We never let Jamaica.
The people of Jamaica are not making any mistake when they give us the 3rd term when it comes to hospital build out. Because in our manifesto, the next stop will be the Kingston Public Hospital. We are going to build a new hospital at the Kingston Public Hospital.
For you and your community, we will build up Jamaica.
And I know Brother Desmond love to hear that. I want to tell him, say, if we do it with Western Child, if we do it with Cornwall, reassurance, we are going to do it with the Kingston Public Hospital. We already secured the land. And those who want to stop the parish of Portmore and claim, say, we need hospital services. We already have the land in the Bernard Lodge area to build a new hospital for the parish of Portmore under this Labour Party government.
JLP cares for Jamaica. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I close by saying to you and the people out there in TV and radio land, if you read the 206 achievement document that we distributed 140 copies of, 140,000 copies, and if you have felt some benefit from the Jamaica Labour Party under Andrew Holness, whether it is medication, whether it is new road, whether it is water in your community, whether it is education grant, whether it is student loan, no interest. If we did it before, we can do it again. We will do it again. Labour Party doing it better for you. Show our labour rights. Come out on the 3rd of September.
Jamaica Labour Party, yes, we doing JLP doing Labour Party, JLP doing let's go.
Kamina, I read somewhere, whoa, excellent,
Really.
by Minister Tufton, Minister of Health. Let's send up that applause for Minister Christopher Tufton. And Mobe, the reason I'm sending an extra special big up for Minister Tufton, it could not have been easy to have been the Minister of Health navigating us through the COVID-19 pandemic. And trust me, Tuffy take it on like a big man, the man under the COVID pandemic. Big up yourself, Minister Christopher Tufton. And you know, Minister Johnson Smith, I read somewhere that someone said that patients are sometimes poorly treated by broken, frustrated, and overworked staff that have been transformed into clock watchers. vying for an opportunity to leave for greener pastures. Now that to me, that is a strong endorsement of the government coming from the PNP opposition spokesman on health. Greener pastures can only be found over the Jamaica Labour Party. Show a labor rights.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica.
So, Minister Johnson Smith, I'm asking a question that I know that the people in St. Catherine Northeastern and other Jamaicans want to ask. We feel, say, something else dead in the manifesto. Tell us what else is there.
Nothing's dead, take care, nothing. We have so much to present, my Jamaican family. There's so many things in the manifesto that you will love. That we have to pull out 100 highlights. 100 highlights of the I Choose Jamaica next chapter. You have to go online now to check it out until you get your copy. But we want you to see that there is something in there for everyone. I won't have the time to share it with you tonight though, because we have some heavy hitters coming later. And some of them may well talk about things that are in here. Because we have Dr. Horace Chang, who is also Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of National Security. We have Edmund Bartlett coming to speak to us. We have the Bun Bad Mind, Darrell Valls, coming to speak to us. And of course, we have Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness, who will have things to share with you. So I just want to remind you, everyone here at home and online, everyone overseas in our Jamaican communities, when you look at the care that we have taken to plan and share our plans with you, and when you take a check on the other side, you must know, you can tell who truly respects you, who truly loves you, who truly chooses Jamaica, and who is ready to lead this country that we love. The other side will have to wheel and come again, and I understand they plan to try tomorrow. We don't know what they will come with, whether it's a manifesto light or a manifesto late. But whatever it is, we are sure they're going to try to come with some promises to trick you, to try to trick you to get your vote. But our manifesto is well thought out. It's intended to build on our achievements, as you have been hearing, to do even more for you, because we respect you and we love our country. And we hope you'll join us online for our media launch, when we will unveil the next step in our Choose Jamaica journey ahead of the September 3 general elections. Labour Party, you can be proud of your team. You can be proud of your government. Thank you for your support. The JLP is an A team. We would never copy from the F+ team. So you must send them a message that they must wheel and come again. Choose what works for you. Share it with a friend. Download it and send to your friends and family. The next chapter is the Jamaica we've always wanted. It is the Jamaica that we choose. On September 3rd, my Jamaican family, put your X beside the bell.
Choose Jamaica for better communities. Choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means. Choose Jamaica, choose JLP. Yes, we're building a better future together. Stay true no matter the weather. JLP standing goals through every plan like school and road. From hardships to hope, we've been paving the way. The very best of Jamaica starts today. And so we pledge our hearts to...
Mobe, what a presentation. What a presentation. We thank Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith, a competent chairperson for the Manifesto and Achievements Committee. That committee has done an excellent job. And so, really, when you hear the PNP behaving as though they could lead this country better than the Jamaica Labour Party, we have to ask them when, where, how, when, where, which summer, which fear, which compass, which square. We have neither summer nor winter, neither blood nor fire. We have instead the days when the Labour right bells ring magnificently. Shower Labour right. Loaded Eagle, you are ripping through my constituency with the vibes. Labour rights, what a good Labour right, what a strong Labour right, what a good, him have to be one Labour right. The youth tuned and turn up. Let us welcome to entertain us, Loaded Eagle.
Labour right. Who do right there? Jamaica Labour Party. Who do right there? Labour right. Costa. Who do right there? Who do right there? Labour right. Who ring the bell? Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what the Labour right. I go mash them up. Yeah. Labour right, why mash them up? Why? Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what the Labour right. Why mash them up? Yeah. Labour right, why mash them up? Why? Road up is no, we ever know on them. House a bill no, we ever know on them. Development, we ever know on them. Love the progress, we ever know on them. Ring the bell them, we ever know on them. Blow the on them, we ever know on them. Bust the them, we ever know on them. Champion, him a real champion. Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what to get. Why mash them up? Labour right, why mash them up? Why? Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what to get. Labour right, why mash them up? Labour right, why mash them up? Let me see the two finger. If you vote for Labour, get yourself together. Make you vote for Labour. Remember Siaga, remember you Shera, Honorable Santa, Shahidi forever. Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what to get. And you why mash them up? Labour right, why mash them up? Why? Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what to get. Labour right, why mash them up? Labour right, why mash them up? Why? Road a fix now, we ever know one, yeah. House a bill now, we ever know one, yeah. Development, we ever know one, yeah. Love the progress, we ever know one, yeah. Ring the bell them, we ever know one, yeah. Blow the on them, we ever know one, yeah. Bust the move them, we ever know one. Champion, him a real champion. Can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what to get. And you why mash them up? Labour right, why mash them up? Why? Them can't run, them can't hide, them can't do what to get. Labour right, why mash them up? Labour right, why mash them up? Who do I hear song long time? And I'm on who sing it now. I mean to them. Who not ready for the new one, yeah? Who not ready? Yes, sir. When you go down to the police station, you feel go Labour. Put the egg beside the bell and make sure you remember. And you go and walk them. One by but now they own a yard. Nobody's so called in history. Education free for kidney. A road car we call it on a history. When you go down to the police station, you feel vote Labour. Put the ace beside the bell and make sure you remember. And you go and walk them one by one. Labour go and walk them 2 by 2. Turn me friend, walk them 3 by 3. Best government to run the country. Who running the country? Labour. Who are the champion? Labour. 1 in a million. Labour. Prosperity. Labour. Go tell your uncle, tell your aunt.
Hold on. Hold on. Labour right. Me don't know wonder who do you sing them. Are we? We not ready again? If we not ready, Andrew, let's go. So. Run me truck. Labour right. We not ready. Let's welcome the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Mr. Andrew Holness. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who pull. Labour right. Who ready? Who by yourself? Welcome. Who by yourself? The Prime Minister of Jamaica. Mr. Andrew Holness. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who had the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? What am I saying now? Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Ring the bell, them heavy now. Labour right, we ready now. Labour right, we ready now. Get the hand, them ready now. What am I saying? The river coming down, no back to back, it's coming down. The river coming down, no back to back, it's coming down. Labour right coming down, no back to back, it's coming down. Brother coming down, no back to back, it's coming down. Who ready again? Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who was the best plan? Again. Andrew. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Who was the champion? Andrew. Who was the big man? Andrew. Who run the island? Andrew. Who got the best plan? Andrew. Labour right, we ready now. Labour no. Labour right, heavy now. Labour no. Labour right, we ready now. Big up the member of parliament. Every time. Shower. Jamaica Labour Party.
Labour right. It is beautiful here. Sam Shop Square. Mobby no fear. No day shower Labour rights. Shower Labour rights. Why St. James never did have to show off stuff. Look past St. James. Labour Party river come down bank. Top bank. Top bank. Top bank. My. Somebody said that Mobby is sending a message to Spanish Town that when we have the rally in Spanish Town, says Spanish Town crowd can't beat Mobby a crowd. But I know Spanish Town now go take that shower Labour rights. Labour rights. The message is clear. We heard an awesome manifesto launch. We know that Labour rights all over Jamaica are tuned in. They are watching. The Labour right base is ready. We are active. We are energized. And all Labour rights everywhere. You can't wait till September 3 for put on the X. Right side of the bell. The Member of Parliament, who you will be hearing from now, is a powerful deputy leader, a champion minister, a senior man in the business, and him set the thing so that me can follow in the thing. He is the Member of Parliament from West Kingston, the fortress of the Jamaica Labour Party, Montego Bay, St. James, Sam Sharp Square. Let's welcome Minister, the Member of Parliament. From West Kingston, the Fortress, Desmond Mackenzie.
We must be proud of our leader and Prime Minister, Dr. the Honorable Andrew Michael Holness. And labor rights, regardless of how much they try to malign him, we choose Andrew Holness. He has been faithful, he has been good, he has been honest, he has been sincere. The Jamaican people can rely on the goodness of Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Labour Party in the next term. Want to thank my colleague, Member of Parliament, Currency Morrison. She did a wonderful job. Labour rights, give her a big hand for a wonderful job. So tonight we are in Sam Sharp Square, the capital of the city of St. James, the Republic of St. James. Labour rights, let me tell you something. I am feeling good. The tide of the Jamaica Labour Party has taken over this country from Negril Point to Moran Point. Everywhere you go is Labour, Labour, Labour. And we launch our manifesto tonight. And that manifesto speaks to the things that we intend to do when the third term starts. Jamaica is moving in the right direction. Everything about Jamaica is good. We have the best Prime Minister. We have the best Minister of Tourism. All of the Jamaican people them are good. The only thing that will be bad for Jamaica is the People's National Party. Make we shut the door from PNP. But remember, Labour rights, remember, nice don't win election. Sing how much you love Andrew Holness don't win election. We win the election on election day. And we must prepare ourselves, Labour rights, as we embark on this new journey, to take it, use it to the best of our ability. The Jamaica Labour Party has been the only salvation for Jamaica. And so tonight, one of the pillars of the Jamaica Labour Party and its work is vested in the Ministry of Agriculture. He's not only the Agriculture Minister, the youngest man ever to hold such portfolio. He's the Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Elizabeth. And he's chairman of this area council. I want you to welcome Member of Parliament, Agriculture Minister, Floyd Green. St. Elizabeth Labour Rights. Today, I stand here as the chairman of Area Council 4, the most successful area council in Jamaica, that is responsible for the parishes of Trelawney, St. James, Hanover, Westmoreland, and St. Elizabeth. In that area council, there are 16 constituencies, and all of them are represented by the Jamaica Labour Party. We know that where the West goes, the rest goes. And I tell them, we do it already. We are going to do it again. We are going to show them how the West was won.
Choose Jamaica. Vote for Labour.
The reason why we won the West is because some of the best MPs in Jamaica are in this area council. The Labour Party went into your communities and constituencies and chose people who live with you, who understand your issues, and who wake up every day to make your life better. And that is why we were able to win constituencies that we did not have for 30 and 40 years. So when them come with a man who never perform a Westmoreland and send him go another Trelawney and talk about what him a gonna do, tell him to over and do that already. When them come with a deportee from Hanover and carry him go Eastern Westmoreland, tell him anything he want to do. Garfield James can do that better. And when them come with a man who run well left, St. Anne, and find himself a Westmoreland, I tell you what him a gonna do for the people of Westmoreland. Tell him if he couldn't do it for him born and grow, we will stick with Danny Lawrence. There is a clear difference between that side and this side. The people on the other side, they have no ideas, they have no vision. They are a quarrelsome bunch. All them focus on a propaganda and prank. But I tell them, we will not switch hospital building Dr. Tufton for scandal chasing Alfred Dawes. I tell them, we will not switch hotel opening at Bartlett for a man where I look for a seat like Wickham. And I tell them, we will not switch the rural busman Darrell Voss for plundering Philip Palwell. And I must tell you, we will not switch anybody for the vision, the action, the nation building of Andrew Michael Holness. So they don't have the people and they don't have the plans. When I read what them say is a manifesto that can't count as a manifesto, they say they are going to do a national irrigation plan. We have that already. And this government has put $10 billion to irrigation. They say they are going to build cold storage. We are do that already. This government has built cold storage in Manchester, in St. Elizabeth, in St. Mary. We are doing that already. And as our leader comes, I hear them say they are going to modernize fisheries. What that even mean? They have abandoned our fishers when they were government. It is the Labour Party that put fishing back on the map. We give them storage, we give them online platform, we give them wire, we give them boat, we give them engine, whether Lance's beer, whether White House, whether Galleon, whether Village beer, the Labour Party is the party for fishers. So, when we realize and me read them manifesto, it look like one of them picnic there when never come school and show up for the exam. So all them try to a copy. When me tell them say, all them attack, we are stepper. Catch up them up here, we are pepper. There is a lot in this manifesto for our farmers and fishers. We are going to do the first pension plan for farmers and fishers. A lot of you want to get involved in agriculture. You don't have any land. This Jamaica Labour Party government is going to put an agro park in every single parish. So if you want to farm, we will provide the land. And finally, we are doing a $3 billion program to help people go into protected agriculture. We are going to help you build a greenhouse so that you can farm and produce. So I say to you all, this election is about our future. This election is about our children. This election is about moving Jamaica forward. Do you want to go back to high crime? Do you want to go back to no focus on agriculture? Do you want to go back to tax after tax? We are moving forward. So we say, forward ever, backward never. Show our labor rights. Love it. God bless you.
We do so much already, now we doing more. We do Jamaica Labour Party, yes we doing more.
Thank you. Thank you, Floyd. But you know, your Floyd said something a while ago. That them a movement from parish to parish. I have a name for them. We call them round robin. Labour rights. Let's welcome Minister of Transport, Member of Parliament for Portland, Mr. Portland himself, Darrell Vaz.
I hear that the Prime Minister will soon be here. But tonight I speak to Jamaica. I'm here in Montego Bay at the Jamaica Labour Party mass rally and the launch of our manifesto. Jamaica, the PNP has failed Jamaica for many years. And every time Jamaica is moving in the right direction, they want to come back and run and take it and wreck it. They come with empty promises, rum talk, propaganda, and personal attacks. For the last 9 years, Jamaica has been planting the corn. We plant the corn in agriculture. We plant the corn in transport. We plant the corn in national security. And now Mark Golding and his gang want to come run and raid the barn. It's not going to happen. Not under Andrew Michael Holness. In Half-Past-3, we had the first leg of the Choose Jamaica match, and we gave them 6 love. But since I'm in the West, make us give them 6 more. Would you prefer to have as Minister of National Security Dr. Harris Chang or Peter Badmind Bunting? Would you prefer to have as Minister of Entertainment and Sports, Babsy Grange, or Deborah Hicklin, or Wavell Hines. True love to Labour Party. Would you prefer to have as Labour and Social Security, Perdell Charles, or Floyd Morris? True love to Jamaica Labour Party. And the other true love is the one love we give them in the debate last night. The true love we're going to give them next week Tuesday. And next week Thursday, I want you to listen to me carefully. You're going to have Bro God versus the British man. Turn on your TV. Get out your rum and your Campari. Sit down on your couch and cock up your foot and watch Bro God check him out. I'm going to say two things tonight. I want to assure you that no matter where you're here and you sip on social media, come next week, I have the school buses ready to roll out for September morning, and no guy can stop that. I change the doors from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. I put on brand new tires on all 110 bus. And listen to this now. I'm going to give you 122 routes across Jamaica with 258 schools. And in 2 years, I'm going to give you the other 600 schools, totaling 858 rural schools across Jamaica, and no guy can stop that.
Post after post. School picnic, young is no class. Post after post.
So I want you to listen to me carefully tonight. Jamaica, I heard with my own ears last night, Damian Goatman Crawford say if the PNP win, they're going to disband the rural school bus system. And I say to him and the rest of them, Tom drunk, but Tom no fool, and they are going to pay dearly on September 3rd for that statement they made last night. You have had 743 children injured in road accidents involving students. You have had 63 deaths in the last 2 years, and we have had 15 children killed in road accidents in rural Jamaica since the start of this year. Oh my God Almighty, man, you're really going to want the people, picnic, to continue to be killed off because of the transport that they are taking? I say to you tonight, vote them out. Vote them out. Vote them out. Vote them out. You know why? You know why? You know why? You must vote them out? Not because you are PNP or you are JLP. God don't like ugly. God don't like bad mind. And bad mind is not something you're born with. Bad mind in your heart, but you're born.
Slew them up, their feelings, them a carry. Them done go already, and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them up.
And I say to you tonight, you have a team here, and a government, and a prime minister that has given me the support. And I will take on Mark, Damian, Dayton, Michael. I will take on all of them one time because me alone can take on all of them and slew them one time. I want to say something to you. I want to say something to you. I'm going to give them JUTC bus. I'm going to give them Montego Bay Metro bus. I'm going to give them school bus. I'm going to give them American bus. I'm going to give them Chinese bus. I'm going to give them bus after bus after bus after bus after bus.
School picnic, yeah, miss no class. Pass bring right by them top.
So as I come down, there's one other thing I want to leave you with. GPS license is up for renewal in 2027. It's the first time that a Labour Party government will have the opportunity to negotiate a brand new license. The PNP had it in 2001 and 2016. And my commitment to you is that this government will negotiate a license that benefits you, the long-suffering GPS customers, for 25 years. So make up your mind whether you want Philip Paulwell, who negotiated the last one, and Bobby Pickersgill, the one before. Are you going to make Andrew Holness and Darrell Vaz and the Labour Party cabinet? I close by saying to you, Mark Golding and the rest of them asked me to show them the certificate for the bus, the inspection for the bus. About 5 certificates them want. The only certificate that Jamaica want between now and election is to show me him Jamaican birth certificate and him UK renunciation certificate. And if him can't show me that, run him away. Any man we say him born at Jamaica and him get him first Jamaican passport at 43 years of age in order to go in a government and get a diplomatic passport is not a man that has Jamaica's loyalty at heart, because him traveling on a UK passport for 43 years but him say him live in Jamaica. Look here, Jamaica, I say to you, and I speak to you from the bottom of my heart tonight, don't take this country and this Jamaica Labour Party election lightly on September 3rd. Because as my friend said, it is a difference between going forward and backward. And if you look at Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, Dayton Campbell and Damian Crawford, and what they have said and done in opposition, you ever give them manpower in Jamaica and you don't recognize Jamaica in 2 years, then carry straight back to the 70s. Labour rights, Jamaica, I speak to you. I have my full trust in you because I know that Jamaica knows what is right. I say to you, choose Jamaica on September 3rd and let us continue to do the work that this government has been doing for 9 years under the best Prime Minister this country has ever seen, Andrew Michael Holness and his cabinet. God bless you. Shower, shower.
For better communities, choose Jamaica for our prosperity. Choose Jamaica, this is what it really means.
Labour rights. Let me tell you something. What Darrell said are true. All them want is the reign of power in this country. And when them get it, them don't care. Them and them tap on our wrist. But we don't want a few tap on our wrist. Every Jamaican man and woman is our tap on our wrist in the Jamaican Jamaica Labour Party. We are the People's Party. One of the outstanding modern day tourism leader. Easily the best tourism minister in the English speaking Caribbean.